So I'm shooting with my father today, and we're about to get some content. And my aunt. Say hello, auntie. Say something. No? Not interested? No. Okay. She's not interested. She's hungry. So we're gonna get some food, and then we're going to shoot. So we are in Grand Popo, my dad and my aunt, and it is so peaceful. And you hear that? You hear the waves of the ocean and the coconut trees, not palm trees. Look at all this. This is so nice out here. Alrighty, let's get it. No words can describe this place. It's beyond amazing. Like pretty much where like the water, the Atlantic Ocean just meet with this park and creates a lake. It's beautiful. It is worth all the trouble, worth every trouble to get here. I am like, I've never seen anything like this before. This is just nothing but short, but amazing. Just amazing. Yeah, I'm glad that we just like shared this moment. I just really enjoy sharing this moment with my dad. He seems emotional.
Ça a l'air de rien, mais moi je suis vraiment ébloui.
Me and my dad just having a moment, admiring the beauty of the bouche du roi.
Really? I'm flabbergasted.
Flabbergasted. That's the word.
In this scene, I was watching my dad walk away from us. I think it was a sign of him saying goodbye.
Quand tu vois ça,
C'est fantastique.
Non, c'est bien.
yeah, sharing this moment with your family. It's
Bele kate, mi kone do no wa tango we no le.
Bien le mais.
Moi j'ai fait.
Quand tu y vas, tu n'as pas peur. Bien vidéo, non, vidéo. Et j'ai toi mais on blé on y attend.
Eh voilà.
Blé on y attend.
Mi tu moni to wa no bi.
so yeah, we're still here hanging out in Grandpopo at the Bouche du Roi. It is this place.
This place is incredibly beautiful, and I wish I had a little bit more time to enjoy the sea breeze.
Fresh catch of the day.
Yeah, bon.
Alright, let's go. y'all for checking out this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and hit up the bell for the notifications for the next time I post a video. I am Jeff with SSH Drones, and I am signing off. Later, guys. Still on the ride.
The takeaway from this video is you have to appreciate the times that you spent with your loved ones. Hug them dearly, and make sure that you enjoy every moment, because we never know when will be the last time. We never know the time, the place. We never know what can happen in the future. So make sure that you enjoy every little moment, precious moments, and that you cherish them. Dear Dad, thank you for coming in on this journey with me. Thank you for shooting this video with me. I would have never imagined that those would be our last moments spent together. So, losing you is hard. It's hard that you aren't there. I can't put into words how hard it has been, but I know that you were proud that we shot the video. I miss talking to you, hugging you, and enjoying with you the simplest things that life has to offer. Rest well, Father. I love you.